5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic and basic. Side rocks. It's side and together and side and together. Step with a tap, step with a tap, step with a tap together. Tap, tap, step, and tap, tap, step. So now, let's add the final piece. The final piece is an embellished basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Instead of going 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to go 5, 6. I'm going to turn my body at a 45-degree angle on the end of 6, and I'm going to slide out with my toe on the floor for 7, 8. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Side rocks. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Step taps. Step with a tap, step with a tap, step with a tap together. Then tap, tap, and step. Tap, tap, and step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step,